See the next one. How small are the particles of matter? So for this we need one beaker. In this beaker we have to take 100 ml of water. Okay. And in this beaker we have to add 1 or 2 crystals of potassium permanganate. So after some time the crystals will dissolve in water. Yes, we will not observe any crystals again. So we will observe the color solution here. The potassium permanganate crystals will completely dissolve in water. The solution is turns to pink in color. Okay. Now from this solution we have to take 10 ml of water into test tube. Okay. Now in this we have to take 10 ml of water. Now we have to take another beaker. In this beaker we have to take 90 ml of water. Okay. In this 90 ml of water we have to add this 10 ml of pink color solution. Okay. What will happen here? So this 90 ml of water and we are adding 10 ml. So total 100 ml of water. So this solution is turned into again pink color. Okay. Now from this beaker again we have to take 10 ml of water into test tube. Now one more beaker we have to take, same in this also we have to take 90 ml of water again. Now add this 10 ml of pink color solution to this. Yes, now it is 100 ml of solution. Again this is also in pink in color. Okay. This solution also turns into pink in color. Okay. Now again we have to take 10 ml of water into test tube. Again we have to take one more beaker. So in this also we have to take here 90 ml of water and again we have to add this 10 ml of solution into this beaker. So again the solution is turns to pink in color. So here we are repeating this 3 to 4 times. So every time we are taking 10 ml of water to out and we are adding the 10 ml of water in 90 ml of water. Yes, that 90 ml of water is changed into pink in color completely. Yes, in all the beakers we are observing the color solutions. Yes, so in the first one just we are taken 2 crystals of potassium permanganate. So how the 2 crystals only changed this color here? So in that solids the particles are tightly arranged. So the tiny particles will present in that solids. So that's why the tiny particles are evenly distributed in throughout the solution. So that's why the 100 ml of water is changed into pink in color with the 2 small crystals. Okay. Remember that in solid the particles are arranged tightly. Okay. The tiny particles are arranged closely arranged. So the attraction will be more in that. So that's why the 2 particles will evenly spread throughout the solution. So we can write that solids and liquids. So including water also. Okay, are made up of tiny particles. Okay. Now see the next one. There exists space between particles. So for this we have to take one graduated beaker. So in this we have to take water. Okay. To this water we have to add sugar or salt particles. Now after some time the sugar will completely dissolve in the water. Yes. Now check the water level. So it is increased. Now again we have to take some amount of sugar into the solution. Again after some time the sugar completely dissolves in the water. Now check the volume of the solution. It is increased. Does the water level is changed in this? No. The water level is remains same. Then where did the sugar go here? So see here, in the liquid particles, liquids have some space between them. So which crystals we are adding here that are in solid state. So that crystals occupy the space between the liquid particles. Yes, so that's why the solution is evenly dissolved in this solution. Okay, so that's why the volume is remains same. For example, liquid particles are like this means, so from one liquid particle to another liquid particle, space between them. Yes, so when we are adding the solid to this space is occupied by the solids. Yes, that's why the solution is evenly dissolved. That's why we will not observe any sugar particles in this. That's why here the volume of the solution is remains same. Okay. So liquid particles in liquid have some space between them. So which solid particles we are adding to the solution, that space is occupied by the solid particles. So here the volume of the solution is not increased here, that is remains same. Okay.